I just slipped and fell and cut my shin. Hey, this is Mysterio Makes It, and today we're doing an unboxing video. But this is from my brother, so nobody knows what it is, including me. But this box looks like a box. Maybe just give it a little trim. Oh great, so it says happy birthday to me from Oliver and Chrissy. Yep, here we have 4 flaps, just like a regular box, and I can see that there's stuff inside, yes. All right, well, click somewhere for part 2 of this unboxing video. Just kidding, I'm gonna keep opening it. Thoughtful intention setting question card deck. Now these look like sculpture items, I'm not sure. Some sort of foil here. Yep, this is high quality rubber band. I'm gonna wear this right now, yep. It's really kind of like for the Livestrong type crowd, but there's just too much yellow in their wardrobe already and they just want something a little slimmer, low profile. And then stick it on your head. Graphite. These look like erasers. Oh, and then a charcoal pencil, so you can just do a little designs, right, on your face. I feel like I've done this before. This looks like a joystick. I'm guessing that this is Bluetooth because I don't see a USB port on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair this with my device. Great, so I've paired it up here, and as you can tell, it just like, you know, it looks like it's kind of doing it, but it's a little rocky. I'm gonna go and figure out how to use this better. Perfect. This is exactly what I needed for removing the war paint. Perfect. Well, that's just about it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for another one, maybe not, unless I get something else in the mail. Hi everyone, I just want to remind you all to play. It's super important and sometimes we forget how to do it, all right?